Hi guys, welcome to Vinnie's Artisan Journey. Today we're gonna make a super healthy and easy vegetable and hot dog pancake. Measure 2.5 cup mixed vegetables. These vegetables included green beans, corns, and carrots. Steam it for about 6 to 8 minutes. Crack 3 village eggs in a small bowl and whisk them slightly. Steam 3 hot dogs for 8 minutes before cutting them into small cubes. I'm using cheese hot dog here. Put hot dog cubes into the beaten eggs. Put the steamed vegetables into a big bowl. The reason why I steam these ingredients is because I'm making a thick pancake. Now add in the hot dogs together with the beaten eggs. One tablespoon of extra virgin sesame oil. Sprinkle some salt over. I'm using pink Himalayan salt. Dash of white pepper powder. And 200 grams of all-purpose flour, which I'm using the organic type. Stir to mix them well. Now pour the mixture into a pan and flatten and smoothen the surface. Slide the pancake onto a plate when you notice the edges is slightly browned. Turn over to cook the other side. Depending on the types of pan being used, normally the center part will brown faster than the sides. So carefully adjust the heat and move the pan around accordingly. Unless you are using a pancake cooker, which will give you a very even cooking. Sprinkle some salt over while it's still hot. Now look how thick is our pancake. Thanks for watching Vinnie's Artisan Journey. I hope you like my videos. Please click to subscribe and also hit the notification button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Till then, see you again.